Today we are here to talk about retirement benefits. One thing that is certain is that after one's working life, they'll reach a point where one will have to retire. And Madison Life Assurance walks the journey with our clients to ensure that they have a comfortable retirement. And today we are going to examine how we do that with our customers. What are the benefits of having a retirement scheme?
The purpose of retirement benefit is one, is able to have a decent living. Two, one is able to have a better way of saving. And number three, we have riders like life benefit, critical illness, and last expense.
We also have the savings, the tax benefits.
Yes.
Tax, one is able to save on tax through pension. For an employer who wants to set up a scheme,
Yes.
what are some of the considerations?
When you're looking at an employer who wants to set up a scheme, one is able to look at the level of funding, because having an occupation scheme, it means an employer is able to contribute on behalf of employees, as well as employees are supposed to foot any of their contribution. The other item an employer is supposed to look at is the number of members, because having a bigger number, then one is able to have like a standalone occupational scheme. When an employer has less number of membership, then it is important for them to look at an umbrella kind of arrangement. You've mentioned about tax relief. With the recent finance tax and income tax, how does it tie up to retirement benefits?
Actually, this is a very big factor when it comes to retirement, because what is taxed on one's payslip is net of what has been taken into the pension. And currently, up to 20,000 is tax-free. So when you look at your gross, once the amount going into tax is reduced, then what is deductible is now net of the contribution towards tax. So over time, it saves the member a lot of money. Also, come at the point that one is retiring. Again, there's a consideration of how long have you been in a pension scheme, and you again make a lot of saving based on how long you've been in the pension. So that's a big saving.
Yes. Additionally, I believe members who are 65 years and above are tax exempt.
That's true.
Therefore, it is important for members, when having a retirement benefit, you stay longer, up to over 65 years, so that one can be able to reap off this kind of benefit. Jen, thank you so much for talking about tax relief. Now, at Madison, what kind of products do we have under retirement benefits?
Under Madison, we have 3 types of products. We have the occupational pension schemes, and those are deposit administration arrangements that are both provident and pension. We also have the Madison Umbrella Retirement Benefit Scheme, and the third category of products that we have is the Madison Life Assurance Personal Pension Plan, which is a plan for individuals. Maybe going to the occupational schemes.
Yes.
These are schemes that are set up for organizations. The Provident Fund offers a lump sum benefit at retirement. Well, the pension fund, at retirement, one gets a third of their contributions. 2/3 is converted to an annuity that is payable for life. What about the individual pension scheme?
Now, at Madison, when you look at individual pension scheme, it is registered under the name Madison Life Assurance Personal Pension Plan. This is an individual kind of arrangement or investment whereby it has a minimum contribution of 500 Kenya shillings per month. It's able to cater for one to have an investment at the point of retirement. And in case of any demise, then the beneficiaries are able to be paid both the investment part and the life benefit. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
I think that what is also important for employers to note is that they do not have to struggle to understand which is the right scheme for them. How do they get to choose?
True.
Madison is there to work with them on the journey and even help them, assist them in deciding on the kind of product to take up. And also for individuals, we also work with the individuals and we're able to show them how to plan for their retirement for the years ahead.
Yes, that is great. Now, when you look at people like self-employed, the young individuals who've started work, and people who want to save, which kind of product can they take for retirement?
That's a very good question, because a suitable product is a Madison Life, a personal pension plan.
Okay.
That plan is for you as an individual.
Okay.
It doesn't matter whether you're somebody who is a hustler,
Okay.
you're a content creator. As long as you're 18 years, it's available for you. And we are able to custom make that product for you. So it's a very flexible product that looks at a person as an individual, because you're the one who will decide, I'm 25 years now, and I'd want to retire when I'm 45 or when I'm 50. So we walk the journey with you, and we're able to even do projections and show you if you're going to contribute, say, for example, 3,000 every month. At the end of the period, you'll be having this amount of money. Is that amount sufficient for retirement? And periodically, you get those statements. We have portals where you're able to access your statement, and you're able to track how your money is growing. And also, with the individual pension plan, we are seeing a situation in the market where there are retrenchments, or one leaves an organization for one reason or another. That money that one had accumulated can also be transferred into an individual pension plan, and one continues contributing, so that come retirement, you have a good basket to retire with.
Now, when you look at Madison Life Assurance Personal Pension Plan, in case the self-employed doesn't have any source of earning, are they able to leave these funds until retirement? Are there any penalties for such?
That individual pension plan is designed in a way that it takes care of all scenarios in an individual's life. Because you can start even contributing today, tomorrow your circumstances change. You're no longer able to contribute, or you even want to reduce your contribution level. That is allowed in this scheme. So you can flex your contribution according to your circumstances. Also, it also allows for partial withdrawals. So in a case where you've reached a point where you need to get some money, you're allowed to come and, since it's your money anyway, you're allowed to come and get a partial withdrawal. But you should also ensure that you keep your eye on the goal. This money was meant for your retirement.
So the point of retirement, how long does Madison take to be able to pay a withdrawal for a member who has retired?
Okay, what is allowed by law is that benefits should be paid within 30 days.
Okay.
But Madison pays those benefits within 14 days.
Okay.
So we are there as far as the benefits are concerned. We are very considerate and making sure that the member gets their benefit in time.
That was a very enlightening conversation, and you're looking forward to having more clients picking up retirement benefits products from Madison Life.
Engage with us
Yes.
through our various platforms,
Okay.
and we'll be happy to have you on board. Till next time, kwaheri.
Bye-bye.